Turtle mangai hian expert team te zinga khan technical mi anom lauti soin
Dr. Lalhlen Moya ania Van Ramliana
Selesi Veti College te Pachunga University College te Ripans Kanti te Mizoram University te Changkop le kan sarkar Changkopin he COVID-19 laboratory hi allowdin ania
expert team te hi Nimin Khan Lunglei Civil Hospital RT-PCR diagnostic laboratory bun thei dan tur anzir chianga until mu dan health minister hena hian an thlenani expert team te zinga khan technical mi anom